Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel StudyBoard Plus with Prashant. Friend, in today's video we will check how to test contactor by the help of the multimeter. This is the English version of this video. The same video in which we have checked the contactor by the help of multimeter in Hindi has also been uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can check in the description. So friend, let us come to the video. For checking the contactor, we required multimeter in continuity mode. So as you can see, this buzzer indication and diode, this is the continuity mode. So two things has to be in check in contactor. First, this you can see A1 and A2. In A1 and A2 we are giving the AC supply 220 volts. Firstly we have to check either these coils are short circuited or not by the help of multimeter, and then other we will check this L1, L2, L3 and output T1, T2, T3. Either these terminals are short circuited. So when we will give the supply on A1 and A2, the contactor switch will stick and it will allow to pass supply, three-phase supply from L1, L2 and L3 to T1, T2 and T3. As you can see, multimeter is set at continuity mode and you can hear the buzzer sound. Now I am checking coils. So no buzzer sound is coming, and you can see on multimeter 555 is written. This is the resistance of the coils of contactor, and most cases the resistance comes between 500 to 800. So our coils are not shorted. Now we will see in off condition, is there any contact between the coils? Contacts between the terminals. So no buzzer sound is coming between L1 and T1. And this is last is NO. NO means normally open. So no sound is coming. Now we will give supply to contactor and we will see that either our terminals are shorted or not. For giving the supply, I am making the use of this plug, and I will connect this plug top at A1 and A2. So I have connected this coils A1 and A2 of contactor. Now I will plug this to 220 volt AC supply. Now you can see the switch of contactor is closed. Now contactor is coming in this mode, means L1, L2 and L3, their contacts are connected. Now we will check with multimeter, same continuity mode. Now electricity should pass from L1 to T1, L2 to T2. See friend, buzzer sound is coming. There is the means L1 and T1 are okay. Again okay. Similarly okay. Now NO, after switch is struck, in this condition NO will become NC. So this is also okay. Means by this way we can check contactor is shorted or open circuited. Means our contactor is now okay. At last I will only say that two things has to be in check. First is resistance of coil, that is around 500 to 800, and either the coils are short circuit A1 and A2. And next checkpoint is to test the terminals of L1 and contactor. So if you like the video, please share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.